you're experiencing crashing issues while playing Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to optimize your game and improve stability. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common problems. Step 1. Update your drivers. Ensure that your graphics card and other hardware drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your GPU, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. This can improve performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 2. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam, right-click on Baldur's Gate 3 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 3. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game to reduce the load on your system. Go to the Options menu, find the graphics settings, and decrease options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects to see if it helps with stability. Step 4. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components or playing on a lower setting. Step 5. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background while playing. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume resources and lead to crashes. Use the Task Manager to end these processes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.